All right, guys, here we are with the Holbrook FX car. This car is cool. It's a 2000. I guess this would be, I guess a 23. I don't know. I guess they would call it a 23. No, maybe it has to be a 19 for the. I don't know. I don't really know what the year is, but it's an 18 and up, and it's really, really cool. It is just, oh my God. I wish I could do this. Chris said I can open the door. I'm going to give you a picture on the outside, but I'm also going to open the door. And it's got a handshaker, and you can't beat a handshaker. Man, I would love to put an in-car camera, but I don't think he would let me want to do it. But the car is gorgeous. Oh my God! You know, it even smells like a new car in here. Ah, that's so cool. The door even closes nice. So it's a carbon fiber front end, carbon fiber doors. This is all steel, and it runs the exact same. There's no reason to look at the engine because it runs the. And so it's just a one-piece, lift-off front end. Hold on, guys. And but it runs the same exact engine as the Showdown car, so it keeps the cost down because it's the same thing. Whatever you run in the Showdown, you're running here. The only difference is this has got it's a 5-speed, and it's tubbed, and it's got a 650 cert, and it's just so cool. And it's white. I like white. Very cool. I figured you guys would want to see it. It's pretty cool. It's like kind of the first Ford. Lingenfelder, not Lingenfelder, I'm sorry. Stanfield is next door, and or a couple trailers over. Varsity Ford, that's iconic for Chris, and yeah, that's so cool. Let me see if I can get back on this camera and I guess give a better look from the rear. Very, very cool. Now let's go for the driver's seat too. Chris doesn't mind. He said I can open it up, and yeah, that's so cool. It's just the best. And then his son is driving, and this is a badass car too. We'll just kind of just real quick and look at this one too. But this is a bad boy too. Yeah. And I think they slowed him up last race, but he put the aluminum block in, and he's back in business. So I don't know if you guys know, these cars are limited. I think it's 10,009. I think it's 10.9. That's as high as they can go on RPM. They limit these cars. I don't know why they're limiting the FX class. It doesn't make sense. Anyway, I want to quick. This is not going to be an exhibition. This is an actual. There's money being given away, and it's this is an actual race. There's 4 cars here. Turk with the Chrysler, Cohen with the Copo, and Stanfield with the another Copo. So it should be fun. But all right, guys, we'll be back with something else later.